human trafficking and drug trafficking have suffered massive setbacks, thanks to DHS law enforcement efforts. In the first 7 months of the Trump administration, the Coast Guard seized more than double the cocaine and other illegal drugs compared to the entirety of 2024, removing 289,467 pounds of cocaine, 31,942 pounds of marijuana, and 5,952 pounds of other illicit drugs, and detaining 261 drug traffickers. Operation Pacific Viper, launched in August alone, seized over 100,000 pounds of cocaine in the Eastern Pacific.